Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change the wallpaper of your Windows 11 computer. So, if you want to change your wallpaper, all you need to do is right-click on any empty portion in your desktop. Once you do, you can see that these particular options appear right here. Now, you need to click on the Personalize button. Click on the Personalize button and you can see a bunch of options. And you need to click on the background option. Click on the background and here you can either choose from these specific default pictures to be your wallpaper. For example, if you like any of the pictures which have been listed here, simply click on them. And here you can see that you have changed your wallpaper. Now, if you want a custom wallpaper, for example, say any of your photos, then you can click on this Browse Photos options. Click on the Browse Photos and then you need to go to the path of the photo that you want to appear it as your wallpaper. So let's do this. For example, I'll choose this particular photograph and then once you have selected the photo, simply click on the Choose Picture button. Now, here you can see that this is my new wallpaper. Now you have successfully changed your wallpaper. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.